Good morning, one and all. In this video, I am going to explain about the pericyclic reactions. The name pericyclic reaction introduced by Woodward and Hoffman and pericyclic meaning is cyclic skeletal. Pericyclic meaning is approximately planar cyclic skeletal, and these pericyclic reactions are proceed via a cyclic transition stage. A cyclic transition stage. That means reactant molecules in terms of thermal or photochemical conditions producing a cyclic transition stage. Cyclic transition stage. And producing the products. Means these pericyclic reactions are induced by thermal and photochemical conditions. Pericyclic reactions are induced by thermal and photochemical conditions. Finally, the pericyclic reactions are defined as non-ionic, non-radical, reversible and concerted reactions. Means pericyclic reactions are defined as non-ionic, meaning no ions will be formed in these reactions, and non-radical, no radicals formation. And this is a pericyclic reactions are reversible reactions. And concerted meaning is the single step reactions. Here that's why only the cyclic transition states are forming intermediates or transition stage. In this way, we are defining the pericyclic reactions. Pericyclic reactions are non-ionic, non-radical, reversible and concerted reactions. Okay. And these pericyclic reactions are classified into three types. The classification. First type of pericyclic reactions is electrocyclic reactions. Electrocyclization reactions. Electrocyclizations. The second type is cycloaddition reactions. The third one is sigmatropic reactions. Okay. Now, first of all, I am going to explain about the electrocyclization reactions. Electrocyclizations. What is the meaning of this electrocyclization? First of all, let us consider a pi system. I am taking a pi system. This is a pi system. And this pi system, the presence of thermal or photochemical conditions, these pericyclic reactions are induced by thermal or photochemical conditions, and by the reorganization of these pyracron clouds, producing a cyclic transition state. This bond is breaking, this bond also breaking, and forming a new bond. It is a cyclic transition state is forming. A cyclic transition state is forming. Means The pericyclic reactions are proceed via a cyclic transition state and producing. This is the new sigma bond is forming here. This is new sigma bond. New sigma bond is formed. These electrocyclation reactions are defined as formation of new sigma bond. Formation of new sigma bond at the termini of the pi system. At the termini of the pi system. The formation of new sigma bond at the termini of the pi system under concerted manner. At the termini of the pi system under concerted manner is called electrocyclation reaction. A new sigma bond is formed here. And the forward reaction is called electrocyclic ring closure reaction. The forward reaction is in this already we told pericyclic reactions are reversible reaction. This is a forward reaction and this is a backward reaction. The forward reaction is called electrocyclic ring closure reaction. Electrocyclic ring closure reaction. And the backward reaction is electrocyclic ring opening reaction. Ring opening reaction. With this, we are defining the electrocyclic reaction. Formation of new sigma bond at the termini of the pi system is called electrocyclation reactions. Let us take a general example. We are taking 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. It is the presence of thermal or photochemical conditions. Here in 1,3-butadiene we have got 2 pi electrons. This is a total 4 pi electrons. 2 pi electrons, 2 pi electrons. This is total 4 pi electrons. This is under the system of 4n pi system. 4n pi system. What does it mean? Here n is what? N is whole numbers. If n is equal to, we are substituting 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. If we are substituting 1, we get the what? 4n. In 4n pi, this is a 4 pi electrons we are getting. That's why it is a type of 4n pi system. This is the 4n pi system. And here, the rearrangement of this pi electrons taking place here. The rearrangement of pi electrons means this bond is breaking here, and here the bond is forming. A new bond is forming here, and here the bond is breaking and bond is forming here. With this, a cyclic transition state is forming here. The cyclic transition state is formed, and by this producing of this is a new sigma bond is formed. New sigma bond. This is a what? Electrocyclic cyclation reactions. A new sigma bond is formed at the termini of the pi system. And in electrocyclic reactions, the number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of sigma bonds formation. Here, see here, in this reactant molecule, the total pi electrons will be pi bonds will be 2 pi bonds. And in the product, 1 pi bond is consumed. Only one pi bond is left here. 1 pi bond is consumed. And producing what? 1 new sigma bond. Means in electrocyclation reactions, number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of sigma bonds formed. Let us take another example. Here, in this case, we have the total 2 pi electrons, 3 unsaturated, 3 pi bonds, means total 6 pi electrons. 2 pi electrons, 2, total 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons, this is the category of which one? 4n plus 2 pi system. 4n plus 2 pi system. Means, what is the n? It is a whole number. Substituting one value. N is equal to 1. 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 pi electrons. That's why this is the type of categories 4n plus 2 pi system. This is the 4n plus 2 pi system. And this one under the thermal or photochemical conditions. Under thermal or photochemical conditions, producing the reorganization of these pi electrons taking place here. Reorganization of pi electrons taking place here. This bond is breaking. Bond is forming here. This bond is breaking here. Here new bond is forming. Here bond is breaking here. A new bond is forming. With this, peroxide reactions are proceed via a cyclic transition stage. Cyclic transition stage and producing a product of here new sigma bond is forming here. This is new sigma bond. New sigma bond is forming here. Here the 2 pi bonds. Tell me. Already I told what is number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of sigma bonds formation. In this reactant molecule we have the 1, 2, 3 pi bonds we have. In the products 2 pi bonds are remains here. 1 pi bond is consumed. With this 1 new sigma bond is formed. Out of these 3, 1 sigma bond is consumed in the product and that's why 1 sigma bond is formed. That is equal to what? Number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of sigma bonds formation in the electrocyclation reactions. Okay, this is about the electrocyclation reactions. Let us discuss about the cycloaddition reactions. Cycloaddition reactions. See, for example, we are taking a unsaturated system. An unsaturated system we are taking. In this, in cycloadditions, addition means here one unsaturated system added to the another unsaturated system. In additions, one unsaturated system is added to the another unsaturated system under thermal or photochemical conditions. Same reorganization of pi electrons taking place here, and here the bond is breaking. A bond is forming here, and this bond is breaking, and bond is forming here. With this cyclic transition, pericyclic reactions are proceed via a cyclic transition stage and producing a product of AB. These two new sigma bonds. This is the new sigma bond. This is also another new sigma bond. And cycloaddition reactions are defined as formation of cyclic adduct. Formation of cyclic adduct from the unsaturated partners. From the unsaturated partner under concerted manner is called cycloaddition reaction. Formation of cyclic adduct from the unsaturated partners in a concerted manner. Concerted meaning what? Single step reaction. In a concerted manner is called a cycloaddition reactions. And also we can say formation of new sigma bonds at the terminals of the pi systems also called as cycloaddition reaction. Formation of two new sigma bonds at the terminals of the pi systems. At the terminals of the pi system also called as cycloaddition reactions. And these cycloaddition reactions takes place in a single molecule or in different molecules. Cycloaddition reactions are possible in single molecule or in different molecule. For example, if a molecule is in conjugation, let us take another example. Let us take it generally. H nu and thermal condition. Two ethyl molecules. This is the one partner, this is another partner. And rearrangement of electrons. This bond is breaking here. This bond is breaking here. New bond is forming. New bond is forming. This is a cyclic transition state producing of cyclobutane. Here, this is our total. Here, this is our 2 pi electron system. 2 pi plus 2 pi. 2 pi cycloaddition. This is a 2 pi partner. Another one is a 2 pi partner. 2 pi. Total 4 pi electrons. 4 pi electron means which type of? This is a 4n pi system. 4n pi system. Okay. This is a cyclobutane. This is a new sigma bond. This is a new sigma bond is formed at the terminal of the pi systems. Okay. And here, take another example. And here is the first partner, second partner. First partner is what? Under thermal or Bodmer conditions. The first partner is 4 pi partner. The 2 pi electrons, 2 pi total 4 pi partner. These two are in conjugation. In this molecule, conjugation is there. If conjugation is present, it is called as considered as a single molecule. In cycloaddition reactions, if in a molecule, if conjugation is present, it is considered as a single unit, a single molecule. This is a 4 pi partner. Then this is first partner. Right? This is second partner. That is a what? 2 pi partner. Single molecule. Total 6 pi electron. 6 pi electron nothing but it is a 4n plus 2 pi system. 4n plus 2 pi system. 4n plus 2 pi system. And here the formation, rearrangement of pi electrons taking place in this way and producing of here this bond is breaking here. This bond formation, bond breaking, bond formation, bond breaking, bond formation. It is cyclic transition stage. Cyclic transition stage and producing a product of here. Two new sigma bonds are forming at here. Two new sigma bonds. This is a new sigma bond. This is new sigma bond. Here also new sigma bond. This is also another new sigma bond. Let us take another example. Here, the thermal or photochemical conditions in this first molecule, this unsaturation, two pi bonds are forming, two pi bonds are there, but these two are in non-conjugation. No conjugation is present because these two are separated by the two sigma bonds. Conjugation is not present in this molecule. If in cyclohexane reaction, if a molecule is not in conjugation, it is considered as a different molecule, a different units. So this is a 1, and this is a 2, and this is a 3. If conjugation is present, it is considered as a single unit, a single molecule. If conjugation is not present, it is considered as a different units, a different molecule. 1 and 2, and this is a 3. Here what? So one is 2 pi partner, second one also plus 2 pi partner plus third one is 2 pi partner. Total of 6 pi electrons. This is also a category of 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2. But we are considering if conjugation is present, it is considered as a single molecule. If conjugation is not present, it is considered as a different molecules. Here, reorganization of pi electrons is taking place here. And producing here, this bond is breaking here, this bond is forming here, this bond is breaking, this bond is forming, this bond is breaking, and this bond is forming here. This is cyclic transition state. Total cyclic transition state is forming here and producing the product. This is a 1. This is new sigma bond is forming. New sigma bond forming. This is also a new sigma bond form. In cycloaddition reactions, number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of sigma bonds formed. But in case of electrocyclation reactions, number of here 2 pi bonds are consuming, and producing 2 new sigma bonds. The same condition, number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of sigma bonds formation. In this case also, out of these 3 pi bonds, 2 pi bonds are consumed, producing 2 new sigma bonds. In this case also, here 3 pi bonds are consumed, 3 sigma bonds are formed. Means in cycloaddition reaction, number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of pi bonds consumed is equal to number of sigma bonds produced. This is about the cycloaddition reactions. Next, sigmatomic reactions. consider a allylic system. Let's consider a allylic system. This is a molecule, a migration, and this is the what? This is a 1, 2, 3. For this allylic system, this is called as migration origin. Migration origin. Here, this migration of this sigma bond, migration of sigma bond from migration origin to this term is migration terminus. And reorganization of electrons will take place here, and this is migrating atom, or group, and this is migrated atom or group, migration of the sigma bond from migration origin to migration terminals. And here the sigma bond is migrating from one position to the third position. It's called as 1,3 sigma-tropic shifts. Is 1,3 sigma-tropic reactions. So 1,3 sigma-tropic means 1 plus 3, that is what? 4 pi electrons. And 4 pi electron means that is a what? 4n pi system. 4n pi system. And here this sigma bond is breaking. This sigma bond is breaking, and here and the sigma bond is forming at here. This bond is breaking and new bond is forming at the terminus, and this bond is break and here new bond is forming here. With this sigma-tropic reactions proceed via this cyclic transition state and producing a product of A double bond B of C here Z. And before the migrating atom is attached to the first A, now the migrating atom or group sigma bond is attached to the C. There is what? 1, 2, 3, third position. This means what is happening here in this reactive molecule? The sigma bond is migrated from the allylic position, from alpha or allylic position to the migration terminus. That is the C. So, in this way, these sigma-tropic reactions are defined as migration of sigma bond from allylic or alpha position to the terminus of allylic system. Terminus of allylic system is called sigma-tropic reactions, and this is called as 1,3 sigma-tropic reactions. 1,3 sigma-tropic reactions. Let us take an example of Z CH then CH2. I am taking a general example. This is what? Allylic molecule. Here is 1, 2, 3 is migrating. Sigma bond is migrating from migration origin to the terminus, and this bond is shifting here. The rearrangement of electrons is a 1,3 sigma-tropic shift. At first position to the third position, 1,3 means is a 4 pi, is a 4n pi system. Here CH2. This bond is breaking here. CH then CH2. A new bond is forming and the existing bond is breaking. The new bond is forming like this. This is a cyclic transition state. The cyclic transition state. With this, the new compound is forming a CH2, double bond CH of CH2. Here Z. This is what? 1, 2, 3. In previous, the migration sigma bond is attached to the first. Now in products, the migration sigma bond is attached to the third position. Means the sigma bond is migrated from first horizontally terminus. That is a 1-3 shift. 1-3 sigma tropic shift. In the same way, I am taking one example of CH2, CH double bond, CH, then CH double bond, CH2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in this molecule, two types of migrations are possible. This is a what? Migration terminus. If it is takes place here, this is a 1-3 shift. 1-3 shift. 1-3 shift. With this, I am direct writing the products instead of writing this like transition states. This is CH2. This CH double bond CHO. CH. Here this Z, this CH double bond CH2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This migrating sigma bond is shifted from 1 to 3. This is a 1-3 shift. In this molecule, same 1-5 also possible. If this migrating group is shifted to the terminus of this fifth position, so it is possible of 1-5 shift. 1-5 shift. 1-5 shift nothing but total 6 pi electrons are involving, means this is a 4n plus 2 pi system. 4n plus 2 pi system. Here what is the, if migration is taking place at fifth position, the product is CH2 double bond CH. With this bond is shifted to here and this bond is shifted to this side. CH, then CH double bond CH, and new sigma bond is new Y bond is forming here between these two, and here this CH2 attached to Z. If in this molecule two types of sigmatropic shifts are possible, one is 1-3 and one is 1-5. 1-3 as well as 1-5 sigmatropic shifts are possible. Next, let us take another example. Z of CH2, CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH, then CH double bond CH2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this molecule, three types of sigmatropic shifts are possible. One is 1-3 is possible. If 1-3 means in this way it is possible, and 1-5 also possible. 1-5 meaning and as well as 1-7. 1-7. Mean in this molecule three types of sigmatropic shifts are possible. Already I wrote 1-3, 1-5 products. Now writing here 1-7. CH2 double bond CH, then CH double bond CH, then CH double bond CHO, CH2. This is Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1-7 shift product. This is a what? 1-7 product. Okay. Now take another cyclic compounds. Here, this is a 1, 2, 3. It is 1-3 shift is possible. 1-3 shift. This bond is to this side. The product is here. Z group is added and no bond is forming here. 1-3. Take another example. One, two, three, four, five, six. In this, two types of sigma-tropic shifts are possible: 1-3 and 1-5. 1-3 and 1-5 shifts are possible. The 1-3 product is the group is here, and this is the 1-3 product. Then 1-5 product is here Z, and here this is the 1-5 product. In this way, we can take the number of examples. Let us take the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this, how many types of sigma-tropic shifts are possible? Let's see. First, 1-3 is possible. 1-3. Next, 1-5 also possible. Then 1-7 sigma-tropic shifts are possible. 3 products are formed here. This is about the sigma-tropic reactions. And also, let us take the 1,5 dienes CH2, CH2O, CH double bond CH2, and CH double bond CH2. These are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The general name is 1,5 dienes. 1,5 dienes. But to write the sigma-tropic shifts, we are giving the general numbering. This is the what? 1 position, this is a 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is a sigma bond is migrating here. Migrating sigma bond. 1,5 dienes. First of all, this sigma bond is shifting to this side, and this is bond is migrated to this side, and this sigma bond, and this is where forming. Initially, with respect to this sigma bond is attached to the 1 position. Now, this CH2 double bond CH, then CH2. Here, the new sigma bond is forming here. Then CH2, CH, CH2. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Initially, this sigma bond is between 1 and 1 position, 1 position, and it is shifted to now 3, 3. This is a new sigma bond. The sigma bond is migrated to its terminus. The sigma bond is at 1 position. Now it is shifted to the 3, 3 positions. That means 3, 3 sigma tropic shifts. We are writing this is what 3, 3 sigma tropic reaction. 1,5 dienes. 1,5 dienes. 3, 3 sigma tropic reactions are called co-prearrangement. 1,5 dienes, 3, 3 sigma tropic. 3,3 sigma-tropic reaction is called co-prearrangement. Co-prearrangement reaction. In 1,5 dienes, 3,3 sigma-tropic reactions are called co-reaction or co-prearrangement. Not only this 1,5 dienes, in other molecules also these shifts are possible. Take another example of not only dienes. You can take this CH double bond CH2, here CH double bond CH2. The name of this compound is what? This is vinyl group, this is allyl group. Allyl vinyl ethers. Allyl vinyl ethers. In this also, with respect to this one, this is a 1, 2, 3 position. With respect to the sigma bond, 1, 2, 3 giving number here. And this bond is shifting to here, and rate migration of these 5 bonds. And here, this type of rearrangement is possible, and producing a product of this is O double bond CH CH2. Here, this new sigma bond is shifting from 1 to 1 1 2. This is 1 2 3. This is CH2 CH double bond CH2. Here 1 2 3 means in not only 1,5 dienes, allyl vinyl ethers also in this type of molecules also 3,3 sigma-tropic shifts are possible. 3,3 sigma-tropic shifts are possible. This is about the sigma-tropic reactions.